In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $17,000 trading in January 2025. So let's get right into it. As you can see, 17,746 was the exact amount across all my accounts. I'm going to dive into some of the, how I use TradeZella and some of the trades that I took, everything like that. We're gonna dive into it. But again, if you haven't watched me trade live on ASFX TV, that is the place to be. I trade live every single day, and a lot of these trades I actually took live on that platform. Another place where traders saw me take these trades was in our Black-Shirt Club Mentorship, and that's where we do our live trading again every single day. So let's break it down. You can see total from Jan to 1st to 31st, $17,000. Trade win percentage at a great number, 76%. A day win percentage of, again, 76% as well. So very similar to my trade and day win percentage means I'm closing, obviously, my trades out quite within a day of each other. Average RR could probably be a little bit better, but 0.52. And my best win streak during this time was 7 days in a row. And my worst win streak was 1 day in a row. You can see this is my daily P&L here. You can see I never had 2 red days back to back, which is quite interesting actually. First week, $179. Of course, it was the first. And getting into it, so great to start off with a nice winning amount. So really solid stuff. Okay, so as you can see, week 1, 179, week 2, 9K, which was obviously my best week. I think I was actually shorting some euro yen crosses there as well. We'll get into some more stats as well, but that was really nice. Week 3, or just under 2K, week 4, 3K, and week 5, 3K. So not every single day is going to be the same. There's going to be losses, and I think a lot of traders have this misconception that every single day or every single week's going to be the exact same. It's simply not. We'll take the good with the bad. By the way, I hope you guys like my new glasses. They're going to start calling me Mr. Worldwide with these glasses. Pitbull. But okay, so let's get into some of the report section. Let's just go to the overview section from this, from these dates. Okay, so my total trades, I have quite a few accounts linked to live capital, everything like that. So you can see my average winning day was 1,800 and my average losing day was 2,200. And now this just proves to you guys that my work-ons that I had from 2024 are coming through in 2025. This was a good first start to the year, simply because I think a big part of it was limiting that downside, having a max daily loss rule, which I've currently set at just over 2% per account, depending on what account I'm trading. I use a master account, and then it all copies through to all the other accounts that I trade as well. And I can decide to tick it on or tick it off. The account, the trade copy that I do use is Traders Connect. The link is in my bio as well. But I think that was quite a big one, because I think last year it was like my average winning day was like $1,200 and my average losing day was like $3,000. So that's definitely been a big improvement. And I hope that you guys actually see that in these videos that I'm doing. I do my daily reviews every single day, my weekly reviews. I do everything here for you guys. So and I'm open and transparent about my wins and my losses. And this is obviously why I can, talk about having a nice month, because simply it's working really nicely out for me this month, and I'll take the good with the bad, right? My average hold time on all my trades is just under 4 hours. My average hold time on my winning trades, 2 hours and 52 minutes, so 3 hours, call it. And my average hold time on my losing trades is 7 hours, call it. So I definitely could possibly be better in that aspect, 100%. But I think the big improvement, what I can just take from the overview section, is that my average winning day is similar to my average losing day. And I'll take that, with any day of the week. Okay, let's just come to the instrument section of here, and this is something that you should be looking on. This is why I love using TradeZella, and you can get a discount code with TradeZella. The annual plan, you can use the code JB, and the monthly plan, you can use JB10, okay, with the TradeZella discounts. You should be looking, every trader should be knowing these stats that I'm going through on your trading results. What is your base ticker? What is your base time of day? What is your average winning day, average losing day, trade win percentage? Okay. Bitcoin was my base ticker from January 2025. Just over $7,000 made. I also did do another video on my live account with Hydra as well. And that has also been my base ticker there, because I'm copy trading, as mentioned. Euro JPY, I did mention in that second week, I was shorting Euro JPY quite nicely. So that has been some nice, nice runs up there and everything like that. So that's, you're always going to take, you're going to take the good with the bad, as mentioned, but some really, really solid trading stuff there. NASDAQ as well, third best. And then the DAX on my personal account has also been very, very nice. If I can just come to the dashboard here again, we'll run through some more trades, but I just want to let's go to the trading time as well. So this is time of day that I'm actually trading my best. And you can actually see, again, mostly New York session. Okay, later on in the day when I'm trying to hold trades that are actually losing trades, that's when I'm getting slaughtered. So I need to be better there. Stop letting my losers run until full stop loss. But you can actually see, interesting, 10 o'clock, I'm getting slaughtered at 10 o'clock, which is London Open. So maybe that's not too great. Let's see if I can filter it. And this is the great thing. You can actually filter it by symbol. So let's do D30. Let's just apply filters. Maybe I'm losing in that morning session, and you should be able to filter it. You should be coming in and filtering it by when are you trading each individual ticker best. So I'm actually trading the DAX best, mostly actually good variety across most of the times. Yeah. Okay, so let's cancel that filter. Let's just go to the dashboard again. From Jan, I started out quite poorly. Let's go to the notebook section over here. Okay, so we can view notebook section. And yeah, again, guys, I have quite a few accounts linked here. So yeah, let's go to some of the notebook section over here. Everyone should be doing daily report cards and weekly report cards, right? You can see I got my trading plan, I got my important work-ons, everything like that. Okay, so let's go to the from the start here. And I don't do my daily report cards every day. It's something that I definitely need to be better at. But I do my video report cards all the time. Yeah. So I started out quite poorly with some. You see, I didn't even finish yet. That's maybe another work on of mine this month. I didn't even finish my trades out, my DAX longs and SPX longs. I got milked on this day, and I lost on the first trading day of the year. So I need to do my daily report cards. That's just poor. It's not good enough. Friday, then the 3rd of Jan, I came and I think I had a nice winning day. So I can't only do daily report cards and put my trades over here when I have winning days. I need to also put them when I have losing days as well. So I had a NVIDIA long, nice, very, very nice, above previous day's highs. You guys know that I love using that with H4, the previous day's high and low reports. And then I got this nice position on the NASDAQ here as well. Wow, this seems like an ages ago, but I actually remember this trade. Very, very nice. Again, something that I've done actually in January is actually zoomed out and mostly looking at like the 15-minute time frame, if you guys have actually seen that. So that's been something that's been really, really nice for me. Okay, so another work on there, as mentioned. I can't only do my daily report cards when I have winning days. When I have losing days, I need to do them as well. Okay, so I had some DAX longs here on this day. This was Monday, the 6th of Jan, and some Bitcoin longs. So let's just go over some of these. DAX longs, very, very nice. I actually had a loss here and then got back in, and I remember this trade quite nicely. Yes, I actually passed, I think in this week when I took these longs, I actually passed my phase 2 Hydro account this week. And then some Bitcoin longs here, trading above previous day's highs and continue moving higher. Very, very nice. I think I actually took this on live on ASFX TV. Again, you guys will know from my trading that using the previous day's highs and lows is something that I found, key levels of interest. I really, really like those trades personally. Okay, let's go through some more trades. See, okay, at least I lost on this day. I was up and then lost, but at least I did my daily report card. So DAX longs, and then I think I got smoked on the Tesla longs. Yep, I did a daily review. Again, most of the stuff, it's all regurgitated because I've already actually spoken about when I got smoked on these Tesla longs live on ASFX TV with Austin and Ev and the team there. So, yeah, if you want to watch us trade live, that is obviously the place to be, as mentioned. But you can see I had the nice DAX longs. DAX has been on an absolute tear, by the way, in January. And then Tesla got smoked on. But again, trading, into previous days view up, just not good enough. So that wasn't great. I tried to take the bounce of previous days low, and just wasn't there. Tesla hasn't been trading all too great recently. That's for sure. And I'm trading Tesla mostly on stocks, mostly on my personal trading account, as well as my FTMO accounts. Okay. SPX shorts, I nailed the SPX shorts this day. This was Wednesday. Okay. Did I get stopped out actually? Wednesday. So I don't have, not doing my daily report cards good enough. I need to update that. That's for sure. Okay. So again, that's a big work on for me, not doing daily report cards on days that I'm actually, I can't only do it on winning days. And I think this was the day that I smoked those SPX shorts, I think, to actually pass my 50K Hydro account. Yep. And again, as mentioned, all of these are actually done. But yeah, break off previous day's lows, which is this white dotted line. And again, most of my trades that when I'm actually trading well, is all very repeatable, similar to how Orson and Ev have repeatable trade statistics or trade plays, same as with me, right? Break off previous day's low and that structure point, and I end up taking it nicely to the downside. I passed my Hydra 50K then. Okay, Monday. But again, you can see that I'm not doing my daily report cards too great when I'm having losses. On this day I did, but I need to be better. And there's always improvements. I took a loss on this day. I think I end up coming back up, and I had to get out. This actually ended up being like the low of the week. So yeah, just something as mentioned, when I am zooming out and looking at these like 50-minute time frames, it is helping a lot with my own trading. So yeah, okay. You can see over here I had some DAX and Meta longs. Okay, so that was nice. Okay, DAX and Meta longs. Oh, sorry, Meta. Okay, sorry, I think I had the shorts here. Okay, sorry, shorts. Apologies. Okay, but yeah, just going through each and every single day, trying to see which other trades maybe that are on. Okay, this was a poor trading day. Oof, it looks like I got slaughtered on this day. Let's go through this. Microsoft and then Meta. Okay, so we got DAX again, nice on some candles. This was CPR, and then Microsoft and Meta. But why is it showing that I lost? Maybe I was holding losers from the next day and actually only closed out on this day. So I might have took some losses over there. That would be interesting to actually go in and have a look. But maybe I was holding some losers from sometimes TradeZella, you can be holding like trades from the previous day, and it comes over, and if you're going to close it the next morning, it can show on that trading day, but it actually wasn't, right? So yeah, okay. So definitely need to be better in my written daily report cards. I've been doing my video daily report cards, but I definitely need to be doing my written daily report cards a lot better. But some solid trading here. Just if I go here to this trades here as well, GJ and EJ longs. Look, we above previous days. This was when I had these nice yen crosses to the long side. Look, we're taking a previous day's highs, pull back, and I actually added in there, same as on those EJ longs as well. We actually ended up taking out previous day's highs, fell on this was on a Monday. I think it was a bank holiday, I do remember, and pull back. And again, most of my trades are very, very similar. So I think that's probably a really, really, really nice aspect of my trading that I am doing. I actually need to do NASDAQ. I took these NASDAQ long. So that we clearly got a work on for myself, guys, is finishing my written daily report cards. Okay. Sometimes can be quite tough because it is late at night for me, but I should be finishing my written daily report cards. Even though I'm doing a video daily report card every single day, I need to be finishing a written daily report card each and every single day. And that is my work on for February 2025. This SPX longs here were quite nice, as you can see. So let's just have a look over here. Over here. Okay, so this was on a Thursday. I took some SPX longs, bouncing off previous day's lows. But let's go to the Wednesday. I think I had a nice trading day here as well. And these were some DAX longs above previous day's highs. You can see DAX longs above previous day's highs. It's very, very similar on all of my setups. So again, if we just go wrap it up here. Very nice trading month. I'm using previous day's highs and lows from that H4 statistic, which I should actually bring up here on stream as well. So that previous day's range report with H4 has been very, very neat, and that's what I'm using to take most of my trades. So the previous day's highs and lows levels, okay, taking my trades there. My average winning day has become similar to my average losing day. So those are the things that I'm doing well. Things that I'm not doing well is I definitely need to lock in on doing my daily reviews written. I'm doing the video daily reviews, but I definitely need to lock in on my video daily written daily report cards and not get slack with that. Let's just go to the DAX and let's go in the last year. I wonder how you guys like the new Edgeful website, by the way. But in the last year, let's just go to the daily time frame, daily session, and let's go to by weekday. And we can actually see DAX on the previous day's range report over here. So previous day's range report by weekday on the DAX, we can actually see, like on a Friday, if we take out the previous day's highs, 78% of the time we close as a bullish closing day if we do take out those highs. And that's why I do enjoy these previous days high and low levels for areas of interest. You can see on a Wednesday in the last year, 71% of the time, if we break that highs, do we close as a bullish closing day. And for the shorts, 83% of the time. So again, these previous days high and low levels, I love looking at, right? It's just what makes sense to me. And I think just keeping my trading very, very, although I'm discretionary, very, very, systematic in what I'm looking for. So a solid trading month, $17,000 across all my accounts. I'll take that. And we'll move on to the next trading month and see what we do get. Again, some good takeaways for lessons here. I'm not perfect. I never claim to be, but I just got to take one day at a time and try and be better than I was, not anyone else than I was the month or day before. So I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And we'll see you then, hopefully for February, when it's a good trading month as well. Appreciate you guys, and we'll see you for the next one.